X mode and traction control, I can keep on spinning the wheels. So we'll go now.
Oh, that didn't sound good. What did you hit?
Nah, might have been a rock or something. Yeah, X mode is good.
Here we go.
So around 1500 RPM, that's when the turbo kicks in, and it's got like heaps good pulling.
How long do your showers take, Bartek?
About half an hour.
Half an fucking hour?
So about 24 hours ago, you guys walked up at Adrian's house.
Wow. I'm going to use that information to shape my life now, thank you.
What's that thing?
Dildo, if you're brave enough. Do you reckon I could do that or not?
This one, you could do this one.
Yeah, but we don't know what's on the other side.
But it's like, you can tell it's like just there's
that's
nothing
easy.
there.
That's an
You
easy
can
one.
tell like by the road, but there's nothing. You don't have to go back.
Man,
Every single one. Every single one. Like you can tell there's nothing because of the road.
the Yaris could fucking do this. Oh shit.
Oh.
Hey, wait. If I do this, I think the camera will like.
Still stabilized?
Yeah.
Just swing on its hands.
Oh, shit. Wow.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Look, it did it.
Magic.
What do you reckon? It's pretty good.
Not bad, yeah. That's solid.
Solid. Solidne.
Warm up.
Yeah, my warm up.
No, we did that one last time.
Yeah.
Over there. Oh jeez, just in front of you.
Okay, maybe.
Yeah, this one.
Well, how steep is it on the other
This is the
side?
one, we did this one.
Okay,
already.
yeah.
Yeah, we did it.
Okay, давай,
Czas na lunch! It's us. Look at this.